For a shirt collar, the first step is to measure the neckline circumference of the shirt. So you measure it this way. The neckline circumference, you take the measurement round the shirt. So my measurement is 20 inches. The next step is to fold my material into two. I fold my material into two this way. Then that 20 inches, I will divide it by 2. So 20 divided by 2 will give me 10 inches plus half inch for the sewing. I will mark 10 and half. Then for the collar stand, I will mark 2 inches length. For the collar stand, I'm going to mark 2 inches. On the edge this way, I will just give it a curve, just a little curve at the edge like this, before I will now cut it out. So the next step is to cut my collar fall, and to do that I will mark 9.5. Our actual measurement for the depth is 10.5, but I'll go in by 1 inch. I'll mark 9.5 here. Then for the length, I will mark 3 inches up for our collar fall. So after that, I will go down here from the center. If you observe most of our shirts, you notice that the collar is not actually straight. It's not actually straight, so that it can balance very well at the neck area. If you look at this shirt now, you understand what I'm trying to explain. So to achieve that, I will go down by 0.7 inch. Let me cut this out first. To achieve that, I will go down by 0.7 inch. Then slant it up to this part. It's that simple. Then I will cut it out. Okay, this is it. The next step now is to cut the face in for both the collar fall and the collar stand. I will now cut the face in. So I prefer to place it this way. So this is it. I'll also do the same thing with the collar 4. I'm going to cut out the face in for the collar 4. So this is it. I'll go and sew it up. So to sew it, for the collar stand, I'll sew from here to this point, then from here to this point. Then for the fall, I'll sew from here this way and this point. So as you can see, I'm done with the stitching. I've already stitched here this part. So the next thing now to do is to join both the collar 4 and the collar stand together, and to achieve that, I've already notched the center, the both center. I've already done that, so I will now fold it inside together, starting from the center. I'll fold it inside this way. I will now go ahead and stitch from here down. I'll stitch it round. So after sewing, this is it for our collar. If you like this video, it won't cost you anything just to give it a thumbs up. It's looking so beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching to the end. See you in my next tutorial.